love the most about the National Orchestra is the real family feel to the orchestra.
I think it's being part of something that's more than just you. It's a collective of everyone around Wales, and I think that's quite a special feeling.
The social aspect is just is brilliant. Being able to perform with your friends, but also socialise with them at an evening.
Lots of things I love about the orchestra, the music being one thing, but also the chance to see people that I've not seen for a long time and have a good laugh.
Everyone really enjoys the residencies, and the staff are all brilliant, and we all work well as a team.
Hearing how we sound at the very beginning and then reflecting on that when we do our concerts at the end, because it's so different and it feels like every day we just get infinitely more and more better, and I just can't believe it really.
Fy hoff beth am bod yn rhan o'r gerddorfa yw perfformio gyda cerddorion sydd eisiau perfformio'n wych hefyd.
The highlight of the residency this year is always when the conductor arrives. There's always that sense of excitement and energy. The level of playing just rises.
Uchaf pwynt y cwrs dwi'n credu yw gweithio gyda Andrew Litton. Mae jyst wedi bod yn trin pawb fel yn proffesiynol, a mae wedi bod yn wych.
It's been really great to get the experience from him and all the tutors, of course, that are also professional musicians.
Getting the most out of the residency, I'd say the best thing is to dive in head first, prepare the music as best you can, put everything you can into rehearsals and into the socialising in between.
The more you prepare, the more you can actually expand your listening and listen to the wider parts, not just concentrating so much on your own part.
To be confident, both musically and socially, don't kind of go into your own shell.
Don't be scared, take it all in and just enjoy the course.